So how many sprites are there?
2.
Okay, which one, Sakina? Can you tell me?
So the car and the flag.
Well done, the car and the flag. And uh, when I will click on the green flag, and I will when I will press the right arrow key, the car will move forward, and when I will press the left arrow key, the car will move backwards. And when I will be clicking on the up arrow key, the car will be turning 15 degrees clockwise. Okay. And when I will be pressing the down arrow key, the car will be moving anti-clockwise. Okay.
Okay.
Is it clear?
Yes.
Okay. So I'm just stop sharing my screen, and now we have to make this car game. Okay. Just wait a minute.
Sir,
Yes, Sakina.
I'm not Sakina.
Okay, Mina. Yes, Mina.
We can also make other games like you made of a car game.
Yes, Mina, I made a car game, but today we are going to make the same game, and when I will give you the homework, then you can
Yes,
make any other racing game, just like the horse racing game or the bike racing game or the animals racing game, okay? It's upon you,
yes, I was just asking.
okay?
Yes, okay.
Okay, I'm just sharing my screen. Okay, Mina and Sakina, can you see my screen?
Yes.
Okay, so Mina, can you tell me that do we need the cat here?
No.
Okay, so we will be deleting the cat from here. Okay, now how many sprites do we need?
2.
Okay, so how can we add the sprites?
By clicking the right, yeah, the right down portion, there are 2 options: backdrop and choose a sprite.
Okay, thank you, Mina. Okay, so we will be clicking on the choose the sprite button, and we will be just searching a car. Okay, we will be searching car, and we can take the car from here. I will be choosing this car, so we have a car here. Then what we have to do, that we have to add a flag here. Okay, we can search the flag from here, and we will be adding the flag. Okay, now what we have to do, can anyone tell me?
Now we have to make the backdrop.
Yes, now we have to draw a backdrop. Okay, so if you want to draw the existing backdrop, if you want that, you can draw this existing backdrop, then where should you go?
On what do you mean? Like when we press, how will we bring the backdrops and draw it?
Yes, how can we draw our backdrop if we want the same backdrop to draw? We
We
don't
will
want.
we will click on the stage. It's also
Okay, well done. We will be clicking on this stage, and then we will go on the backdrops option here, and now we can draw the existing backdrops. Okay, do you both have any confusion or question till here?
no.
No.
Okay, well done. Now, what should we do?
Drop.
Okay, first we have to fill the color here. Okay, first we have to fill the color here, but if I will be using the fill tool and I will be clicking on this, nothing happens. Why? Can anyone tell me? Why it is not coloring? Why it's not filling the color?
Because it's not a letter or an option.
Yes, well done, because it's an empty page. We don't have drawn anything yet in which we can color it. Okay, so first of all, what should we do? That first of all, we will be coloring it from the using the rectangle tool. Okay, we will be choosing the rectangle tool, and then we can remove the outline. Okay, and from here we will be choosing our color, the color which you like. Okay, then we will be drawing the rectangle of this size of this page. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, now we have the green background here. Sakina, can you tell me that how can we draw the track which was drawn in the project that that I showed you before?
Sir, can we use the line tool?
We can use the line tool, but it will be very hard to draw the complete and perfect track from the line tool, don't you think?
Yes.
Okay. हमारा क्या होगा कि अगर हम लोग लाइन टूल, आप सही कह रहे हो, आप लाइन टूल हम यूज कर सकते हैं, लेकिन अगर हम लाइन टूल से हम ड्रॉ करेंगे तो हमारे लिए बहुत मुश्किल हो जाएगा, हमें टाइम भी लग सकता है उसके लिए। मीना, एम आई
Yes.
सेइंग राइट?
Yes, we can use the square tool.
We can use, no, we don't want to use the, we just want to draw a track here. So how can we draw a track here?
Using the paintbrush?
Yes, well done. We have here two options. Either we can use the paintbrush here and we can select the white color from here and increase the thickness to maximum. Okay, we can use 100, and from this we can draw. Okay,
Okay.
or we can use the eraser. We can use the eraser, or and we can the 100, and now from this we can draw a track,
Track.
any type of track which you like. Okay.
Uh, we can also draw a track, like also things like going, the track is going this way, right,
Yes,
left,
yes,
up,
yes,
down.
yes, yes. It's all upon you. Okay. It's your own choice that how can you draw, how do you draw the track? Okay. Okay, Mina.
Okay.
Now I've shown you that how can you use the eraser tool to draw the track. Now I will show you that how you can draw the track using the paint tool. Okay. We will be using the paint tool and we will be 100 here, and then we will draw the track which we like. I want to draw a straight track, that's why I'm drawing like this. If it's a bad track, so please forgive me both. I'm not good at
No,
drawing.
it's not a bad track. It's fine. It's good.
Okay, okay. Now, Mina, now if I want, can anyone tell me that if I want that this the track we have drawn should have black outline, so how can we uh, add the outline of the track?
That is so simple. We
Yes,
have
tell
to
me.
use the line tool.
No. It's no problem. We can, if we use the line tool to draw the outline, then it will be a very hard for us, because we have an easier option, because we have an outline just right here. What we have to do, that we have to use the selection tool here, and we have to click on this, and now we have to increase the outline you want. Okay.
You were saying the black things inside the track. That's what I said.
Okay, Mina, I'm sorry if you have any problem understanding me. I'm really sorry.
It's okay.
Okay. From what you have to do, that after using the paintbrush to draw the track, what you have to do, that you have to use the selection tool and select the track. And from here, it's your own choice that you can change the color of your outline. Okay, you can either change the color of your outline or the thickness of your outline. It's all upon you. Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Now our backdrop is completely drawn. Now we will go on the code. And now, Sakina, can you tell me that is the car size is okay or we need to smaller the size of the car?
We need to smaller the size of the car.
Okay, because it's too large for this track because our track is too small.
Yes.
Okay, so we will be clicking on the car, then we will go on the size option here and we can write 50. If we will write 50, no, it's too small. We
Stick.
can use 70 or we can use 60. Okay, we can use 60. Okay, it's okay. We can use 60 here. Okay.
Okay.
Now we have to, what we have to code that we have to code that when we will be clicking on the right arrow key, the car should move forward. Then how can we do this? Can you tell me, Sakina?
Events.
Yes, well done. Here, which event should we use?
We should use the second block when space key is pressed and change the space key to right or left
Well
arrow.
done. We will be using the key pressed event and we will be changing it to the when right arrow key press. Then, Meena, can you tell me if I want that when I click on the right arrow key, the car should move forward, then what block should we add underneath this event?
Motion block.
Well done. We have to go on the motion block and which block should we use?
The first block.
Well done. We have to use the first block, which is move 10 steps. Okay.
Okay.
Now, when I will be clicking on the right arrow key, the car is moving forward. It's a success. Okay. Now, Mina, can you tell me that if I want that when I click on the left arrow key, the car should move backwards, then what should we do now?
Uh, Make another block like this.
Yes, we have to make another block like this. Then to make another block like this, what should we do?
First, we have to get the same block of the events and change it into left arrow key.
Well done. We have to go on the events again and we have to use the same event when key pressed and we will change the when space key pressed to the when left arrow key pressed. Then what should we do if we want our car to move backwards?
Have to go uh, to move backward.
So can you tell?
Yes, yes, I want that when I click on the left arrow key, the car should move backwards.
Sir, add the move 10 steps block and add minus before the 10.
Well done. We have to go and we have to pick the move 10 steps block and put it underneath the when left arrow key press. And then when if we want to move our sprite backwards, then we have to add minus before the number. Okay. We will be adding minus before the number. Okay.
Okay.
Now when I will click on the right arrow key, when I will click on the right arrow key, the car will move forward. And when I click on the left arrow key, the car is moving backwards. Okay.
Okay.
Now, if I want that when I click on the up arrow key, the car should turn clockwise. Then what should we do?
We should get the same event block but change it into the down up arrow key.
Okay, we will be using the same event and we will be choosing the when up arrow key press. Then where should we go?
We should use another kind of block instead of move 10 steps.
Okay, I want that when I click on the up arrow key, when up arrow key is pressed, our car should turn clockwise.
What?
Motion,
No,
motion, motion.
yes, we have to go on the motion. And which block should we use?
Turn 15 degrees.
Well done. we have to use the turn 15 degrees block. But you can see here that you have two turn 15 degrees here block. The first turn 15 degrees has a arrow which is moving towards the right, which is
Clockwise.
yes, which is for the clockwise, and the second one is for the anti-clockwise. Okay. Now
Okay.
it's your own choice that you want your car to move anti-clockwise on the up arrow key, or you have to move your car the clockwise on the up arrow key. It's your own choice. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, now I want to move the car clockwise. When I will click on the up arrow key, so I will be using this block. Okay. Now when I click on the up arrow key, you can see the car is moving. The car is turning the clockwise.
Yes.
Okay. Now if I want that when I click on the down arrow key, the car should move anti-clockwise, then what should I do?
Same block as the turn
Well,
15 degrees block.
well done. We have to use the same block here. When down arrow key pressed, and we will go on motion, and we will be using another turn 15 degrees. Now we
Can you change the clockwise block to down key because it's going down?
okay, we can use the turn. Okay,
Okay.
is it okay now?
Yes. Yes.
Okay. Now when I will click on the right arrow key, the car will move forward. And when I will click on the left arrow key, the car will move backwards. And when I click on the up arrow key, the car will move anti-clockwise. And when I click on the down arrow key, the car will move clockwise. Okay.
Okay.
Any confusion till here?
No.
No.
Okay. Now, Mina, can you tell me that now we have to put the green flag here. Okay.
Okay.
The green flag the green flag is for the end point of the race. Okay.
Okay.
Now I want that when our car reaches the green flag, it should say you win. Then what should we do?
Oh yes, that was a long time ago.
Yes.
Uh, the
We have done the same work in the maze game. Do you remember?
yes, I remember, but I forgot the steps.
Okay, no problem. Sakina, can you tell me?
Nobody knows.
Okay, no problem. So what we have to do that I want that when I click on the green flag and when I will go on this green flag, our car should say we win. So first of all, what should we use? We have to go on the events because all the events are the starting point of the code. Okay.
Okay.
We will go and select the when green flag click. Then we have to go in the we have to choose the forever block. Okay.
Okay.
We have to choose the forever block. Then we have to choose the if and then block and put it inside the forever block. Okay.
Okay.
First we have to choose the when green flag click. Then we have to add the forever block, and then we have to put the if block inside the forever block. Okay.
Okay.
Now, if I want that when the car touches the green flag, it should say I win, then the touching function is the touching function lies in which category from here?
The touching.
No, sensing. Well done. The touching, we will go on the sensing option here. Now here we have now here we can use the both block here. Okay. Touching mouse
Okay.
pointer block or touching color block. Okay, I've told you this before in the maze
Yes.
game.
Yes, you have.
Okay, so I will be using the touching mouse pointer block, and we will put it inside the if and then. Okay, then we will click on the mouse pointer, and here we can see our green flag. Okay, we will click on this green flag. Now the code we have that when green flag click forever, if touching green flag, then now what should we now what we want that when the
So
car touches the green flag, what should it say?
it
You
say
win.
I win.
Yes, I win. So Sakina, can you tell me if I want this sprite to say anything, then where should we go?
The sound.
No.
No, looks.
Well done. Looks. We have to go on the looks and we have to use the save block from here and put it inside the if. And here we can write you won or win.
Win.
You win. Okay.
It should be
Now,
I win because he won.
okay. Okay, Mina. Thank you for correcting me. I win. Okay. Now if we go directly on the green flag without clicking on this green flag, the car will say nothing
Yeah.
because we have the code that when green flag click and forever. So we have to first click on the green flag from here. Okay.
Okay.
Now we will be going.
It's so fun.
Yes, it's so fun.
It's going upside down.
Yes, it's going upside down. And now when it reaches on the green flag, it is saying I win. Okay.
Okay.
Any confusion till here?
No,
No.
this was the easiest.
Okay. Now I want that when I click on the green flag, the car should go again on the starting point. Then what should we do?
I forgot this one.
Okay, no problem. Sakina, do you know?
I forgot.
Okay, Mina, do you know?
I already told you.
Okay, Mina, no problem. Don't
You've been
cry. Don't cry,
you.
Mina.
I'm not crying.
Okay.
Oh,
Okay. Now we want that when we click on this green flag, the car should go at the starting point where. Okay. So now first what we have to do, we have to pick the car and we have to put it right here and we have to correct its position, its direction, and we have to put it right there where you want that the car this race should start from here. Okay. You have to put the car here. You have to put the car your car there where you want that the car this race should start. Okay.
okay.
Okay. Now I have put it the car right here because I want to my race to start from here. Then we have to go on the motion blocks, and from here which block we have to use?
Motion block.
No,
I mean.
go to X and Y.
Oh, okay.
Do you remember it now?
Yes, I do.
Now what we have to do, we have to just use this go to X and Y block and we have to put it underneath the when green flag clicked. Okay. Okay. Any confusion till here?
Now.
No.
Okay. Now we will see that if we go here and okay. Now when I click on the green flag again, the car is coming back to its starting position. But here we have a problem. Who will tell me that what problem we have?
Me.
Yes, please.
The problem is that when we when we bring it from the to the green flag and well it's upside down, when we wanted to come back to its starting point we click the green flag, but when we click it it goes to the starting point on the same position.
Yes, it's the problem we have that it is going on the starting point, same position, but its direction is not straight.
Yes.
Okay. Now, what will be the solution of this problem? Do anyone know? Do you have any idea?
What go to random position?
No. The go to random position block is used when we want our sprite to go to any position in the page.
Change the direction.
Uh, no. We want that when we click on the green flag, the car should go to the starting point and it automatically corrects its direction. Then which block should we use?
We don't know.
I will give you the hint that the block which we have to use is in the motion block.
It's an emotion block.
Yes, the block which we need to correct the direction of the sprite of the car is in the motion category, in the motion blocks.
So it's backdrop too.
No, in the motion blocks, not in the looks.
Glide 1 second to XY.
No,
Okay, I don't know.
it's too easy.
Point and direction.
Yes, well done. Point in direction 90. We have to use this block. Point in direction 90. Very well done. Now we will be using point in direction 90 under the go to X and Y block. Okay.
Okay.
And when we click on the green flag and we start the race, and when we click on the green flag again, the car will go on the starting point and its direction is also perfect.
Yes.
Okay. So any confusion till here, both of you?
No.
Or do you have any type of question?
No.
Okay, very well done. Now I'm just stop sharing my screen and you both